everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Sketchbook Free Edition to draw a cloud. First, we're going to choose a blue color for the background. And then we're going to find a special pen which is called Salty Watercolor. From the basic settings, we leave the size to about 80, flow to 50%, and strength to 30%. And in the advanced nib, we're going to select the pattern, which is very thick straight line. This one is very important. This pattern is awesome to draw this cloud. So when you're drawing, never use a straight line. You either use some circular motion or make some like zigzag line to draw the cloud. And then the other thing we need to pay attention is you need to draw layers on top of the layers. The third thing you can do is to use very short line to highlight the top edge of the cloud, because most of the time those edges, the top edge, they have very strong reflection from the sun and they appear whiter and brighter. So if you notice, the beauty of this salty watercolor pen is if you keep pressing down the pen and keep drawing, you will see the color face off. So when it's face off, it's very ideal to draw the shady area at the bottom of the cloud to make the cloud more realistic. So this kind of drawing is quite easy. You just keep repeating the layers maybe 4 or 5 times, then you will get a perfect cloud. So at this point of time, the cloud is pretty good, but we're still going to do some fine touch for it. Let's find this cashmere eraser. We're going to leave the default settings, except we will increase the size to about 260. And then we're going to use this eraser to blur out the bottom edge of the cloud. So normally if you look at the sky, the cloud normally has a curly top edge but flatter bottom edge. So that's why we're doing this. You can repeat this process to make multiple clouds. Do you like this simple and easy approach? Please let me know down below. If you want to encourage me to make more videos, please click the subscribe button. Thank you. Let's draw together. Bye.